I just made 100 videos! Oh my god, this is my 100th video, or 101st. My last video was called Epic, and that's my 100th video. Yeah. This time I'm reviewing the Ace pocket knife. That kind of stuff. Right here, I got the Ace Falk pocket knife. The first thing you will see on this is flathead screwdriver, bottle opener. The next blade is your main cutting blade. This one's your main cutting blade. Nails are gonna fall off popping these open. There's your bottle opener, right by the main blade. Your scissors work very nicely. Your hacksaw. I'm using these for projects. Where's that last finger popper? Here it is. A mini hacksaw. Let's see the other side. Cork bottle opener. Billet screwdriver. Your other blade, right in the middle. Can't get this last one open. Okay, I won't show you that blade because it won't open. It's mean. Just a weird blade right here. It's pretty pointy. It's right here. This last blade is always a challenge to get open. And then you just have a nail thing right there. Well, it will never open. My scissors have gone wild. And now it's time to put them all back. Pushing them down, not on the sharp side. Let's put a bunch down. Whoa, I didn't want to do that. And close. It's back to pocket knife. So I hope you liked my review. Peace out! My 101st video!